To fit an extension to a Baby Dan Premier gate or a Safetots no screw gate, the system works exactly the same. If you just buy the gate, you'll receive 4 insert bungs and 4 spindles. You only need to use the insert bungs when you're not using an extension. In this example, we're going to show you how to fit a single extension kit onto the gate. For a single extension kit, you'll have 2 square tubes, a top and bottom housing. The bottom housing will be slightly wider as it matches the profile of the gate, and a down pole as well. Okay, so we start by slotting into the top and bottom housing, and then we slot the square rods into the housings, and then these will fit into the top and bottom sections of the gate. Okay, you may find that the tube does not fit all the way through. This will fit through with a little bit of force, and also you could, if required, use a mallet to get the tube into position. Once the extension is in position, we then insert the spindles. We use a full spindle at the top, and if there's a half spindle, that goes into the bottom section. On the side where we're not fitting an extension, we will use the insert bungs. And first of all, we'll slot the spindles into the insert bungs, and then we can just push the whole insert bung into the end of the gate.